Hey everybody, CT Hippo here, and so I think I've been a good little hippo this year, and earned myself a toy, so I got myself a Christmas present. Let's see what it is. Actually, since you've seen the title of this video, you already know what it is, so I'm not really surprising anybody on this one, but I got myself a new fish finder. So, this is a Garmin Striker Plus 9SV. It's similar to the 4CV that I've been using, but it has a side scan capability. This is the larger one. There's also a 7SV and then a 5DV, which is the down view only. This has the side scan functionality. Now, you've probably noticed I don't do fishing videos. Could care less, but what this is for wreck hunting. So let's see what's in here. So, it's a pretty good size unit there. Seems to be well enough packaged. We have the unit itself. Stupid little bumper sticker. More cardboard. This is a splitter cable because it uses two beams to do the side imaging. So, bracket, power cable, and I'm curious here if this is going to be pin compatible with my existing one, because then I can use the battery pack that I already have. I don't know that I'll use this off the kayak, but it appears to me that's going to be pin compatible with the 4CV, so that much is good. We have mounting screws. We have a manual. Transducer mounting plate, which looks very similar to the one for the 4CV, which would be nice if it is, because that would mean that I could use the existing mount for the float that I use to trail this thing. So here's the transducer itself. Same size and footprint, different cable there, so this will be compatible with the tow fish sensor thing I built. Plasticky bits. Transom mount. And again, this should all be compatible with the existing stuff for the 4CV. So, like the mount that I've already got on the Achilles, I should be able to just slap this on in place of the 4 and have it work. There's the rest of the transom mount. Goes like that. Nuts, bolts, washers for holding it all together. Strain relief for the cable. So, here's the part that people care about. As you can see, that's a pretty hefty size unit. We've got a ground connection on the back here, mounting points for console mounting it, and then two mount connectors for the transponder and a power connector. So we got the single one coming off of the transponder itself to this guy, which then splits between these two. Let's see if I can figure out which one's which here. Not really marked which one's goes in which hole, but probably have to RTFM a little bit to get that one figured out. But yeah, that's what you get in the box, and there'll be more videos coming soon as I get this thing out onto the lake and ready to play with. And I wanted to, I'm sure somebody's going to mention it. Well, I hope somebody's going to mention it. I don't know if anybody even watches these things anymore. But there's probably going to be a question about why I don't do more of these. If you look at my channel stats, the video I did on the first operational test of the 4 CV has been by far, like by 100 times my most popular video. I don't want to be the fish finder channel. I don't fish. These are tools for hunting wrecks. And so I'm not a monetized channel, and I make the stuff that I care about, not necessarily what is going to be most popular on YouTube. So if you're still sticking around and watching my videos, I appreciate it, and let's go have some adventures.